What's up, what's poppin', what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's been forever and a day, okay, that I actually did a sit down video. I've been uploading my Jamaica vlogs. They're finally done. They've been done for a while, but if you're new to my channel, my name is Sade. Welcome. Hopefully you stick around, hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Welcome back to my Dae-Ones. Don't worry, if you are new to join the Dae-Ones family, I promise you all you gotta do is free of cost. Just hit that subscription button and it's okay, free of cost, okay? Just go ahead and hit that button and hit the bell.
Nice and clean, are you ever look good? Nice and clean. The tree not growing on your face, and your man proud, and you say you're quite alright. No donkey, no bite, you walking a day, so you're not hide out at night.
Guys, let's jump right in. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, so I decided that I'm gonna come and do a Q&A videos for y'all because y'all need to get to know who y'all subscribe to, okay, outside of Jamaica vlogs, even though, you know, I show my true self, but I still just want to come answer some questions that y'all have for us because it's been forever and the day that I've been gone from YouTube, okay? Y'all just seen like old vlogs from July. So I got some questions. I'm just gonna jump right into them. The first question is from Shay the Real. Hey Shay, she said, are you satisfied with your life career right now? So if you don't know, right now I am a teacher. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, so middle school. I'm certified to teach math. For right now, no, but last year I was. I feel like I graduated. I'm like, yes, I got a job out of college. I'm doing something. But right now I've been getting the urge to go back to school and further my degree. Next year I do plan on starting grad school, so hopefully all of that will start picking up. But for now, the answer is no. Or in my life right now, in my life, yes and no, but career-wise, no. But in life gets crazy, up and down, but it's okay. All right, so GMar127 says, how do you deal with drama and are you friends with... I'm not even going to yell out, say the name on my channel because some people just shady. I'm not talking about her, I'm talking about people who watch it. So how do I deal with drama? I don't. I don't do drama, to be honest. I'll say my piece and it depends on my mood, because if I'm peaceful, I'll say my piece and I'll be done with it. But when somebody constantly I'm name in their mouth, I'm gonna continue. But eventually I get over it. I get over stuff. So I don't deal with drama. There's not much drama in my life. I have not been in drama in a long time. So I really don't do drama. Like, I don't. Like, that's the short answer. I don't deal with drama. Shay says, why do women dismiss red flags in a relationship? I don't know why women in general do it, but I know the reason I do it. Because sometimes, and I've done it in the past, but right now I don't play that crap. If you show me a red flag, I'm gone. But in the past, I know women, we just want to be loved, and especially if somebody we really love or we really like already, like, it's just like, oh, we probably think they're going to change. That's for me. Back in the past, I thought the person was going to change. So that's why I would say I ignored the red flags. But I really don't know overall. But I did a mukbang on this entire topic. It'll come out after this video. So y'all check out the mukbang. Okay? When you reach Jamaica, how hard y'all go search for my man? Love you always, gorgeous. Oh, I was like, what? So JoJo wants me to find her partner in Jamaica when I go to Jamaica. Girl, I don't know, me just post them on my Snapchat and you choose and tell me which one of them you like. But I don't know. Next one, can we start a Dae-One group chat? I thought about it with GroupMe. I don't know if y'all know the app called GroupMe, but I use it in college. Is where you can add people nobody numbers exposed and stuff like that. And we can definitely start a GroupMe. But as far as WhatsApp goodie, I don't think so, because I don't like giving out my number to the public. That's crazy. And then GroupMe, okay? GroupMe. What's your favorite meal to cook? Breakfast food like egg and bacon. And I'm just being honest. But I'm not. Curry chicken and white rice. Curry chicken and white rice, yeah. How do you grow your natural hair? Tips, products you use. Okay, so for natural hair, I definitely think that some people transition, but for me, I just went ahead and did a big chop and I cut it all off. And then how to grow it, just give it water. We need water in our hair. Moisturize your hair every day. Make sure it's moisturized. Don't be in your hair too much. For example, don't comb your hair every day. Do protective styling that probably lasts a week. Wear your hair out. What I will do, I will twist my hair up, wear it from Monday through Friday, and on the weekends I'll wear it as a twist out. That worked for me. Products that I use, natural hair can get very pricey. So to stick to the basics, right now I'm only using shea butter. I don't use any other extra products in my hair. I just use shea butter. But Camille Rose, they have a great line. Cantu is always a cheaper option. Shea Moisture, even though they got all that heat, but their products are good. So yeah. How old are you? I am 24 years old. I have 2 questions, but first, I absolutely love you. I love you too. I'm 20 and I truly look up to you as an older sister. My first question is, how do you like the teaching profession? So let me answer that first. Oh, let me see if they go together. My second is, how did you find your passion? Okay, so out of 10, I would say a good solid 7.58. Overall it's good. I love my kids. They get on my nerves 9 times out of 10, but I love them. And teaching is such a rewarding thing when you see kids grow. Like, I meet them in August and some are at a low level, and by the time they do certain things that woes you, they care about you. Like, let me go to school tomorrow with this hair. They're like, oh my god, Miss Hamilton, you got a new hair, like da, da, da. They pipe you up. They're your natural cheerleaders. They'll hate you half of the time, but they love you, absolutely love you. I love them. It's amazing. Like, just to sum it up, it's hard, it's stressful, like but it's very rewarding. I feel like at the end of it, you feel better because you're influencing a generation. You know what I'm saying? Right, this year I'm teaching 100 and something kids. Like, that's 100 and something people that's gonna be something in life. You know what I'm saying? It just blows my mind. Teaching is something bigger than me. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like I'm doing a due diligence to the future. I love it. And then how did I find my passion? Y'all, like, I don't even know what my passion is. So if it looks like I got it together, like, that's great, but like, I probably don't, because I don't have a passion. I'm very wishy-washy with things. Like, I'll find something that I like, I'll do it for a little bit, then I get bored and then I'll do something else. YouTube is probably the longest hobby that I've had in a long time. But a passion, God. To be like a straight answer, God. Just remembering that you have a purpose, and just remember that God is there for you, anything that you put your mind out to. And I strayed away from that concept, and now I'm getting it back. I'm going back into my faith. I've been reading my Bible again. I've been having devotion with my best friend, so like, that's been helping me out. But I'm still searching for my true passion. Oh my god, it's one of my students. Why can't I come over your house? Because I am a teacher and you're a student. Bongo Lati said, which YouTuber would you love to collaborate with? Whew. Jamaican YouTubers or just any YouTubers? I don't know. Like, I'm just always nervous to like even ask anybody to collaborate. But anybody, like, seriously, anybody that matches the image or the concept of my channel. Because I'm not gonna, I've done it in the past where I did makeup videos with people, but it's just like, no, you're not a makeup artist, Sade. Your channel is not about makeup, so why are you partnering with somebody who does makeup? So I'll definitely do somebody who do vlogs or any type of other videos that I do, you know what I'm saying? But as far as, I don't know, right now, Reza TV de pa my radar. I already sent y'all over to his channel because his series that he does, I would love to play it, because I know Seguri is an actress. If I toot my own horn. But no, I feel like I have some acting skills. I took a theater class in college and I was great. Okay, the teacher loved me. I was great. So I just feel like I have potential for being when I'm skip them. So if you're watching this, go tell Razor Blade and show him this clip. And Razor Blade, if y'all watch this, link up. Do you have any kids, or if not, how many do you need? Ooh, do I need? Do I want? So I don't have any kids. I would do 2, 3, 4 kids. 4 is my max, but maybe 2. Have you ever had a bad break? If yes, how do you get over it? Like a bad breakup? Yes, girl. I had one that I thought I was going to die. Whew, I felt my heart in my body explode, like break up. But it takes time. It's time, self-love, rediscovering who you are, but it takes time. I would say time is the biggest factor. But just do you, boo. Just do you. Just do you. Like, I know it sounds simple, but really that's all it takes. Just be you. Have you ever thought about starting a business, especially in Jamaica? Yes, I thought about a business. I don't know what yet. Definitely want to do some type of giving back to the community thing, but as far as a business to like profit off of, yes, but I don't know. I'm still working with the idea. Will you retire in Jamaica? Definitely. Will you be furthering your schooling, or are you thinking about a new path? So I answered that in the beginning. Yes, I do want to go back to school. What are your regrets, if you have any, in life? I don't have regrets. No, I don't, because I learned from everything that I've been through. Are you currently dating? If yes, does it seem promising? Do you believe in love at first sight? No. No. What age do you want to get married and have kids? Right now, I would get married right now, but my finger is empty. But I would, seriously, about 26. I'm 24 right now, so maybe 2 years for marriage. Kids, about 30. 28, 30. I can start having kids at 28, 30. I'm cool with that. How many concerts have you been to in your lifetime so far? I don't do concerts, but I think I was in college for a couple, so maybe I've been to the 2 or maybe 3. Gyal, where the mukbang day. It's coming, Shay. It's coming after this video. Will teaching be your permanent career choice? No. If you can have lunch with someone famous, who would it be? Shonda Rhimes. Shonda Rhimes, yes. I'm gonna pluck at her. Or Issa Rae. Issa is a good one. Issa Rae. Probably Issa over Shonda. Issa. I don't know. Personality, Issa. But brain, Shonda. But even though they both have brains, so whatever. But either one. If you can change one thing about the world, what would it be? That you need money for everything? We should just have love. And I'm being serious. Do you know the national anthem by heart, Jamaica and America? Let's see if we do. National anthem. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our lives through countless hours. Through our leaders, great defender, grant through wisdom from above. Justice, truth be us forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, it's like Jamaica, Jamaica, land we love. Teach us true respect for all. Self responsibility call. Yes, so I know it. In short, the American one, no. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright skies and no, I don't know it, but I know that part. Sorry. Starting your teaching career in America, is it a hard field to get into? I don't think it's a hard field to get into. It's just different. Being from a Jamaican background, you see how the school system is kind of different. But as far as a difficult field to get into, I don't think so. Will I visit the UK? Definitely. The UK is definitely on my list to visit. I definitely want to come see y'all. I do want to visit my Dae-Ones, meet up with everybody, you know. I just love the British accent, so I want to come and pick it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? If you could teach in Jamaica, would you? And if not, what is stopping you? The income? So if I could teach in Jamaica, definitely. Just about 2 weeks ago, to be very honest, I was looking at like teaching opportunities. But if I'm teaching in Jamaica, it won't be like primary school, high school. I want to teach at a college level. So I'm going back to get my degree, and hopefully maybe if I get like my master's, my PhD, an opportunity will open up, because I definitely would love to go to like UTech or Uruga teach. Like I think I would live in Jamaica. Like we already know this. I would definitely, I don't know how much they get paid, but it's not so much of an easy getting up and go because my life is here. But if it's something where I can sustain myself, definitely would go. How do you think you would have turned out if you never came to America? I probably would have got into some shit. I would definitely be in school, because the family that I'm from, they don't play around when it comes to education and stuff like that. So even if I had graduated college, they would have been paying or pushing me to go to some type of school in Kingston or something. So I'd probably be doing that. Oh, that's a good question. Would you ever go on a locks journey? No, I get bored easily. You say you is a freaky girl. What? What was your first kiss like? Ooh, it was cool. Okay, what age did you lose your virginity, and did you feel like you were truly ready?
Jesus Christ.
What inspired you to do YouTube? I love you. I love you too. What inspired me to do YouTube? So ever since I was younger, I'm always into like filmmaking. I used to take pictures a lot and create slideshows and put music over it, and I always had a camera. What really made me start it is my natural hair journey, because I just wanted to like document that journey, and then it turned into something else, and then, you know, so, and now we're here. Next question, how is keto going? How is the keto diet going, and what are some foods and workouts you do? Love your vlogs, by the way. Thank you. Okay, so keto, I've not been in ketosis since about October, but as far as being in keto, I'm not doing keto. I'm doing more of a low carb diet, which is where you eat more than 20 grams a day. I am gonna kick it back into keto this week though. I'm gonna try, but it works if that's something that you want. Please do your research. Do your research. But for as this moment, I am not in ketosis. I'm not doing the keto diet, but I want to start tomorrow. As far as workout, literally, I'll go to the gym. I'll do the elliptical for 15 to 20 minutes. The treadmill for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll do this arc machine thing. I love it. I'll do like the weight stuff that they have. If it's leg day, I'll use all the leg machines, two to three. I don't know the sets and whatever, but I'll do 2 to 3 rounds, about 12 to 15 of each things. And then if it's arm day, I'll do arm. A couple weeks ago, I was going to a trainer. We go to the trainer, whatever he has us do. But as far as workout, y'all, I just go whenever floats my boat. Go. What is your dream vacation when you have a husband? I'm going to Greece. What are you most proud of yourself for? Just my mindset and how I'm in this space where I'm protecting my energy, because I used to stress about the littlest things, y'all. Okay, she said, have you ever liked someone and because of certain situation you had to keep your relationship in the friend zone? I like somebody, but we had to keep it in a friend zone because they were in a relationship, so I had to be respectful of that. I'm not the type to go in and break up nobody's relationship. So certain situation that obviously something enough to have y'all not date, so just don't do it. Like, just listen to the universe and just talk about it. Talk to the person. If it's a situation where the person is in a relationship, good it run, don't go in it, okay? Anyway, guys, that's all the questions that I received. Hopefully I answered everybody's questions. I really appreciate everybody who took the time out to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you always get updated when I post a new video. Other than that, I love y'all.
Oh, yeah. You're nice and clean and you ever look good. Nice and clean and you want. That's why them want grudge you.